He's such an incredible person, and his enthusiasm for helping other people is just wonderful. Yeah. And a couple of the things that I would like to touch on there. He talks about how someone believed in him. Yeah. And that is so important. One of the first things I learned as a coach is the main thing we look for is to enhance that person's own power, to make them realise how strong they are. And the only way you can really support someone is if you truly believe that they have the strength to pull themselves out. And all you can do is give them tools, show them the way, but you can't do it for them. And that's something else that he said there, that he was tired of it all. He had to still stand up and do it himself. And that's incredibly powerful. What I think is really important about when he says he spoke to somebody and they connected, in the world that we live in now, where so much is virtual now,
that's true.
We are losing that sense of community that we used to have. When towns and cities were built, it used to be with community in mind, and now so many of us are retreating into our smartphones, into our computers, onto the internet. And sometimes it feels like we're on the same journey with somebody, but we're barely sitting in the same car. And that's a real shame when it's somebody that you're close to and that you love or you want to support. And therefore, when you can make that connection with someone, it's so incredible. What I love about what Joseph has said as well, though, it's not just the people who supported him, but his own family who were there, who rallied around.
He had a network around him,
that network,
didn't he?
Because it's really hard to find that inner strength to stand up, especially when you haven't used it for so long. In that, it's almost like learning to walk again after an accident. You've forgotten how to do it, and you need to remember, and you will fall. And to have somebody who's there with you and saying, it's okay, we can do this, you can do this, it's really important. And that's sometimes something that when we sit there and say, I need to try and I want to help someone through this, what do I do? Just be there. Just be there for them, because that's the best thing. You're not there to do anything for them in terms of help them fight the illness or disease or whatever it is. But you can be there to hold their hand. You can be there when they're just saying, this is so hard. And you can be there when they have made all these plans to go out with you and then said, I don't want to do it anymore.
I've changed my mind.
That's okay. We'll sit here and we'll do that. And so the support network is such a huge part of resilience. And actually, that's just something which I've been adding to my training sessions. I hope you don't mind me adding it here. We have so many amazing people around us. Drop one of them a text right now. Just drop them a text. Tell them why. Tell them why they're so amazing and thank them for being in your life.
Lovely. I think we'll end it on that. I think we should do that during the break, but in a minute, yeah. Audrey, thank you so much, and we'll see you again next time. Thank you all so very much.